question number 37 of the PhilNITS FE morning portion of the exam. In this question, we are being asked, there is a program module that is executed only when the integer value of integer x is greater than or equal to 25 and less than 50. When testing this module using boundary value analysis, which of the following is an appropriate combination of values to be tested? Okay, I was able to arrive with the correct answer, which is letter A, but I must admit that I didn't quite know at first what using boundary value analysis would mean, especially the part where we need to know what would be the boundary value. Because if we look at the choices, we'll see that there are numbers that appear quite close to each other or the same. Now we need to know whether one is the wrong answer or the correct answer. Now, for example, if we start off first with this part here, x is less than 50. If we look at the choices, letter B, for instance, has 50 and 51. Now, I thought that because this is less than 50, not less than or equal to 50, then we shouldn't include 50, right? Because if we're talking about the value of x, it's saying that it should be less than 50. Now, if we're adding 50 here, then it seems like there's something wrong. However, if we look at the other choices, this one has 52. So we got 4950, the same for letter C, and 5051. And it looks like we gotta add 50, except that we need to know what would be the number beside it. And I thought that because this is less than 50, then it looks like it has to be 49, because otherwise we are really going beyond the number, because we already have less than 50 here. It's not less than or equal to 50. Now if we test that with the first part, we have x is greater than or equal to 25. Now, because we have the equal sign here, then I thought that 25 should be included. Alright, so if we look at the choices, we are now down to whether it should be A or C. 25 is here and 25 is here as well, so both have 25, except for letter C, it has 26 as the number beside it, while for A, it would be 24. So if we were to choose between A and C, it looks like the correct answer would be letter A, because if we think about it, if we base it on what we've done for the number with the 50, where we got 50 and 49, now if we were to do that same pattern with this part here, then it looks like it should be 24, 25. Alright? We're adding the number that is not supposed to be included in the same way that we added 50 here. Right? So it would be 24, 25, and then 49 and 50. Because we're following the pattern that we did for this one and also for this one. And therefore, the correct answer is letter A.